Welcome everyone. Today we will discuss the second part of fall protection system. But first, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe it and like. So today lecture outlines are guardrail systems. What we will see what is guardrail systems, personal fall arrest systems, safety net systems, and warning line systems. So first, let's discuss what is guardrail system. Guardrail system is basically a vertical barrier consists of top rail, mid rail, and top board. In the picture, you can see that this is a barrier, a barrication which has been made. This is the top rail, this is the mid rail, and this is top board. So this combination is called guardrail system or guardrail barrication. Why we do so? We do so because this area is on height and a worker may fall down from this building and it's under construction, so that's why we need to barricade it with guardrail system so that the worker do not fall from the building. Next one is personal fall arrest system. It consists of connectors, anchors, body harnesses, and they basically work combinedly to save a person from falling down. It decreases the arrest force. In fact, it can include a lanyard, an installation device, and a lifeline. Now, if a worker works on the height, on the certain height, so in that case, a harness is needed, different kind of connecting devices, anchors are needed, and you will see what is arrest force, what is deceleration device in the next slide. By looking to the picture in the next, you will have a clear concept of personal fall arrest system. As you can see that this is a full body harness. When a worker want to work at the height, he wear this full harness, so it is called harness. And then this lanyard, these are lanyards, so this is attached to this harness, like it have a connector and it is connect this harness. And if you want to connect these devices to the rope, or if you are working with certain rope, so these rope grabs are used. A rope is being placed inside this rope grab and it is locked, and then this anchor is basically connected to the rope, so they work combinedly, and then a carabiner is used connect them all together, and a positioning device is used in order to position a worker. If a worker want to work, then a positioning device, as you can see in the picture, will allow the worker to move freely. So in the previous slide we have seen two terms. One is arrest force and the next one is deceleration device. So what happened, let's suppose when a worker fall down, so this is basically a deceleration device, the rope grab. What it do when a worker fall down from the heights, so a worker is being controlled and connected with these devices, and when a worker fall down, so in that case a pressure or a force will be exerted on the worker. So this rope grabs basically decreases that pressure, and it basically decreases the arrest force. So what's its role? The role of this rope grab is to minimize the arrest force and do not exert a lot of pressure or force on the worker, and the worker do not feel a much force on him. So all these devices are working combinedly to protect a worker from falling down. So these devices basically work combinedly in order to protect a worker. The next one is safety net systems. This is basically a safety net system. You can see it consists of panels. These are panels. You can see the straight ones. These are panels, and in between is mesh net. You can see the net connected together with different components. So this is basically a safety net system. And why we need it? If a worker works at 25 feet or above height, then in that case a safety net system is used. A worker will work on it. If the height is 25 feet or above, then other fall protection system will not work and only the safety net systems will work. Lastly, we will see that what is warning line system. It consists of ropes, wires or chains and stanchions that forms a barrier. It warns those people who approach an unprotected roof side or edge. So let's see in the next slide. This is basically a warning line system. There is some construction work going on the roof. So there are basically a warning line system it may consist of certain ropes. You can see different kind of wires or different kind of stanchions in order to protect or avoid the worker to approach this area, because he may fall down from the roof, or certain edges you can see here, so he may fall down from it. So it basically avoid people or certain workers to approach this area. Now this is called stanchions. You may have seen that this is a certain kind of barricade in different construction works. You may have seen this. It is called stanchion. Stanchion basically avoid people to cross certain areas and form a barricade. So guys, this was about fall protection systems type, and I hope you will like it. If you have any question, then ask me in the comment section. See you in the next video. Take care and bye.